Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will explain about Samsung Good Luck Theme Park update that will include the 3D icon now officially available for the Samsung Galaxy device. So let's see how to check for the theme park update and apply the 3D icon to any Samsung device. So first of all, open the app drawer and Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. Now here, tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. Here you can see the update option. Tap on updates. Here you can find the theme park option. If available, the update on your Samsung device. So update the theme park on your Goodlock application. We already update, so we can't see it. So let's see what the new in the theme park update. So after the update theme park, open the Goodlock on your Samsung phone. Here you can find the theme park option. Tap on the I button. Now here you can see the theme park related details. Tap on the three dots. Tap on a go to store option. Now scroll down. Here you can find the what's new option. Tap on the arrow icon. This is the latest version update in the theme park about the version 1.1.01.38. So this is the all list details. Added theme bookmarking with the heart icon and support for the launching bookmark theme via home screen shortcut. Improve icon editing UI. Shifted into shape, effect and image. Added the emboss effect and monochrome image option. This emboss effect will helpful to apply the 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is the main important update in the Good Luck theme park. Emboss effect that will apply 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device. Updated quick panel icon preview. Added home screen beige color settings available from One UI Home 8.5 only. So this is the latest update of the Good Luck theme park. So let's see how to apply the 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device. So now after update the theme park, open it on your device. Now at the bottom you can see the icon option. So tap on the icon. Here you can see the we already created icon. So tap on the create new option. Now here you can find the list of added the different options, shape, effects and icon in the latest theme park update. So first of all select the shape of the application you want to set. So you can see the list of different available icon shape. Select any icon shape you want. So here we select this teardrop icon shape. Now tap on the effects. Here you can see the basic effects. This is the new emboss effect that will apply the 3D app icon. Here you need to select the strength, edges, angle and shadow. You want to set a 3D icon. Glass effect, gradient effect, duotone effect. You can set two colors, film grain. So this is the all new effect, and last option is the icon pack on monochrome you set. So go to effect, go to the emboss effect to apply the 3D icon. Now select the strength you want to set the edges. Make sure select the angle 45 to looks like amazing 3D icon on your Samsung Galaxy device. Set the shadow you want. Now after the set shape, effects and icon, tap on the download arrow icon at the top right corner in a Samsung phone. Enter the name. We enter the name new 3D effect, new 3D icon. Tap on OK. Now wait. Now you can see download. Just tap on it on your device. Now tap on apply button. Before apply, let's see the default icon. Here you can see the default app icon we set on my Samsung device. I will apply the 3D app icon we set using the theme park update. So now tap on the apply button to apply the 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device. Now go to the home screen and you can see apply this amazing 3D icon on your Samsung device. You can see apply to the folder also home screen. Now open the app drawer and you can see the apply all 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device. So now you can see apply the 3D app icon to your home screen, also folder. Also when you open the app drawer, you can see this new amazing 3D app icon to your Samsung Galaxy device using the latest theme park update on the Good Lock module. So it's quite easy. So check in your theme park or Google or Good Lock module and apply the update of the new 3D icon. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.